Hi guys, Rob from Iceboxauto here today. Just going to show you today's install just on a FIAT Panda. Let me just zoom in for you. Here you go. So this is one of our products on our website on the iceboxauto.com. This is our TC range, which basically comes in a few options where you can add the RAM. So you can see this is the home page here. Basically you can change this home page if you wish, just by doing that app there, but it's an online app. So once you give it an internet connection, you can go into the online app server, which basically allows you to change the interface. So you'll have to forgive me today guys, because my voice is a little bit croaky. Did a lot of shouting over the weekend, so my voice has sort of disappeared a little bit. Okay, so I'll just basically give you a little rundown on this this system here. As you can see, this part here around all this is part of the system. Works with the steering wheel controls, which you can see me doing here. Just put it on mute for you. So that's the home page there. This application here gives you the maps on here, which is basically we set up Google Maps on this system here, but obviously it's got one on there that was preloaded already. Okay, I'll probably bring the video to an end and then just basically come back in about 3 seconds, because there's a phone going here. Just give us 1 moment. Sorry about that guys. I'm now back here, so I'll just go back out to here to show you, carry on what was going on the video here. So this is your Bluetooth menu. Does have phone book support on here. It's currently connected to the other works phone. Let me go on to this one's the radio. So there's your radio set up there. As I say, it's got RDS on there, so that's the station's names and amongst other things. Go into your application center here. So as you can see, don't ask me what that car mate does. It's a new one that's been put on there, so I don't even know what that is. It's got a couple of settings on here, so the back end settings, theme, boost animation, Bluetooth, car settings. So as you can see, gives you a few options from as I would expect from the car itself. The old radio here, as you can see, it's nice, quick and responsive. Just go back out here, car settings. Let's have a little look at that one. Gives you some trip computer information here. It's not going to show anything because we haven't had to go with the car just yet. So you go over to here, a couple of Chrome videos. This is a DAB app. This is the offline DAB, which we've put on the windscreen today, as you can see there. Let's go back to there. So that's just the DAB radio tuning itself in. So this is the one that we sell for $39.99 if you wish. Good reception. Let me go back to here. DSP sound processor. So you've got like the DSP chip inside. It does allow you to customize your speakers, fine tune them if you know what you're doing with that one. Have a little play around. File manager, if you want to upload any third-party applications like the downloader app or a couple of apps you can't get from the Play Store, you can do it through this app and put on a USB pen. GPS test, that's just test the GPS antenna we've put in today. Google Maps, Google browser, music app here and a video. So if you want to put your music or your videos on a pen drive, you can put it onto the pen drive and play it through one of them apps there, Play Store. So if you want to download any applications, you sign into your Play Store there and download apps of choice. Radio, showed you that before. Steering wheel controls. This app's only applicable for cars without a digital CAN bus. So if you've got no little tiny box about that big that connects to the power cable, there's no need to use this app. But if you don't get the little box and it's just a normal power cable, nothing connected, then you can use that there. This one here is your CarPlay or your Android Auto app. So basically it's set up on my Apple phone. So as you can see, this is wireless connection, and there's a few apps from there. So obviously you see me DAB radio app, Google Maps. You can use it this way too. So you're nice and responsive. DVR app, which is we've not used, installed one today, and YouTube, which everyone seems to know because obviously you've been watching this video on it. So I'll bring it to an end today, guys. So hope you like the system. Oh, one more thing before you go. Let me just double check. We've installed a rear camera in today. We'll put the guidance lines on that in a moment there, so obviously you can see that work with that. Just knock it out, go straight back onto that screen. So hope you like the video, and then I'll bring it to an end. Have you got any questions? Get in touch. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.